my Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a haul that I got from a cherry on top. So I got a massive haul between 4 different collections. So this part of the video is going to be my 2 of 3 collections that I got, and then the next part of it will be the 3 and 4. So let's start with my favorite company first, which is Horizon. But first, I want to state that I did get the Vicky Bouton art wedge. I just left it in there so I can show you, and I actually really like it. I had to figure out how to use it first. So pretty much you put your thumb in the spot and then you just go over it. So I can't wait to play with this. I think it'll be pretty cool to be able to play a little bit with this and go from it. So that's kind of like what your edges are going to look like. So that is part of the wedge that I got. And then I got, for this section, I got Horizon and Dear Lizzie. Now, you guys do know that I absolutely love Paige Evans from Pink Paisley. So I got the ephemera pack with the flowers, the florals, the embellishments, and so I'm just gonna hold that there because I'm not gonna take them out quite yet. I'm waiting on one other set from these guys to get in before I start to take everything apart and start to use it. I'm trying to use up some of the old stuff first. And then I did get the chipboards. It's just absolutely stunning. I just love everything about it. And then I did get the puffy stickers that she had. I love all the sayings because you don't have to use this as a travel theme. Like some, you know, like it's like half travel, half not. You can use it outside of travel. So these are just the regular stickers. And then I got, obviously, the alphas. Okay. Now, I don't have all of the papers because I have another order coming in that I'm waiting for. So these were the ones that I wanted to duplicate and get. So I got number 2. Just absolutely love what it looks like. And then I got number 3. I have a good idea what I want to use this one for. And then it's flowers on the back. Number 4. I love this. Number 6. This, I don't know what I'm going to do here. I have absolutely no idea. But I do know that I'm getting the 12 by 12 paper pad. So I'll at least have that a couple times. Like I said, these are the duplicates that I wanted. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. I love this. This is going to be fun to use. And look at, again, it could go, oh, yeah, number 9. Number 13, I love these bikes. This is my favorite side. I just love these bikes. I love these florals. Number 16. Look at the polka dots. And then number 19. Just bright, fun colors. And number 24. I love the paint swatches here. I love that side too. Hence the reason why these were the duplicates. So this is the little bit of Horizon that I got. I will have more as well. So by all means, hold on. I do have more coming of this. So then the next collection that I got was Dear Lizzies. Now, Dear Lizzies, I just got, this time around, just the 12 by 12 paper pad and then a few of the papers. Now, she did have some lifelike floral papers that were oranges and then florals that I didn't get, like what the Sunny Days, which I thought I should have. I should have looked at this just a little bit closer, because I thought they were in here and they're not. And so I'll just have to go back on. So we'll start with the papers first. So this one is blissed out. And then look at those anchors. Remember this? This, oh my, I love that this is blue and not black. I absolutely love this. And this is Live Simply. Oh, this page. Bloomed. I love this page too. I love that. And then heart this. Okay, now the paper pad. I get 48 sheets. Obviously, you know there's duplicates in here. So I absolutely love what this one looks like. I'll quickly go through it. This one has the gold foil in it, where you've seen the other one. Here's some peaches. Here's some gold foiling. See, there's the real life that I was talking about. She had one that was lemons and then a floral. And then this one has the... I love that she added the boho feeling to it like she did with her other collection, because I absolutely love the other one that she did as well. But I love this one. And there's the gold foiling. And then this one is the purses with the gold foiling. Flamingos. Look at this page. I have 3 of them. And then it starts... Oh, and then this is the last one. And then it starts all over again. So that is the paper pad and the extra sheets that I wanted to get. And now these guys. So I did get the hashtags, the paper clips. I just love how these look. Just love them. And then, yes, I got 2 die cuts because I have a lot of paper and stuff to use. So, come on, focus in. You know, focus. Okay, maybe it doesn't want to focus. Not wanting to focus for. Apparently it doesn't want to focus. There, maybe that's a little better. And then here is the stickers. I got 2 stickers. I love Peachy Keen. Anchors, look at that pineapple. Let's see if it'll... I don't know why it doesn't want to focus now. For some reason, it should have focused. And then I got the chipboard, Don't Look Back, Love, Shine, Bliss. And I love her alphas. It says to be kind. So this is rose gold up top, and then the glitter. And then at first I was like, well, why do I want half glitter and half that? And then when I did a double take, I was like, oh, the rose gold is on bottom, glitter on top. So absolutely perfect. So with that being said, that is the first 2. And then I will come back with the next 3 and 4. Here is like my other little bits of it. So what I did was that like I explained kind of earlier on, I had 2 major orders from a Cherry on Top come in, and they came in one day after each other. So this is like the second part of the video that I am doing. So this has got 3 collections on it. So the top one is Chamel, and then I've got bottom 2. So we'll do Chamel first. And I did get Vicky Bouton's. This is my 3rd one of these because I absolutely love it. So I just ended up getting that. Wanted to show you that. So, Chamel's. I did do Sparkle City, and I think I got everything except for the paper pads. I decided not to do the paper pads. So she went really skimpy on these this time around, but there are her enamel dots and their glitter, which I do like anyway. And then I got her ephemera. These here are like, they change. But there's the ephemera. And then I did get their rub-ons, her rub-ons. And then I did get both her, I'll go with this one. Let's do the stickers. So I did get the stickers. Those pigeons. I love those pigeons. They're amazing. And the camera. Oh. Okay, and then I did get her 2 alpha stickers. Now her alpha stickers, these here are foam, which are amazing because they're going to stick. So it's like a blue underneath, and then it's got holographic on top. I absolutely love these. And I love when American Crafts does these versus those others, because these actually stick. And then she did do these, which is another pink, but they're smaller. So I'm pretty excited about these. And these are lowercase, and these are uppercase. So I do like that. And then, of course, I did get this. And this is like a lighter, I don't know if you can see. It'll kind of, there you go, a lighter shade of pink underneath. Again, they're thickers and it's foam, so they'll stick. Okay, I'm going to quickly go through the papers for this because I did get, I think I got all of them. So this is Stay Super. Oh, fussy cut for me. Fresh Flowers. All these cameras, they're tiny this time. Non-stop Snapshot. Oh, and I love this. And then this one is It's Wonderful. Spring in the City. Time to Party. Sparkly Sky. I love this page. Grab and Go. It's like a, I love that page. Like going to fast food. Stargazing. Clean Cup. I love this one too. And this one is Dream Big. I love the swirls. Rainy Day. Tour Guide. I love the cotton candy. Life is Sweet. Postcards Home. I love this one. I could cut these all out if I wanted to, but I bought all of them for everything, but I really like the front of that one. Traffic Jam. Oh, this reminds me. Oh, Staus in Germany. Oh, Our House. I love that too. Fairy Lights. Perfect Day. Love this one. I love that. Polka Dot Pansy. I love that one too. This is going to be a hard one. I love this black too. Shine All Day. Oh, I could see me hand stitching, putting a bunch of sequins on that one. Here and There. And last but not least, Mountain View. So that is Sparkle City. I got that collection. Alright. Now, the next one, let me do this one here quick, and then I'll do the last one. So, everybody has seen this. I also got one sheet of Everyday Amusing, because this is the one sheet I didn't get, and it was at a cherry on top. So, I got that one. And then I did pick up more of the stickers for Everyday Amusing, and then the ephemera, because I did like, there's a couple of collections for Pink Fresh that I really enjoyed that I didn't get much until somebody was using it. So then this last collection that's on my haul is called All Heart from Crepe Paper. Now, I love there's alphas to this one. I like the big and the little to them. I really love that. And then I did get the stickers. I just love this. Oh, I didn't realize how vintage I am on my collections, but I really am. I will be true to that. I love the peace sign. Radiant Pub, yay for today. Good times ahead. The stars. I love this. I love these. And then I got two of these. And then I did get the ephemera. Pretty cool. I can't wait to use some of these. And then I got the stickers, which I'll go like that. There we go. Give you an idea. Okay. And then I did get the holographic style. So this one has two different sides. So it has this one, and then it has this one. I could have gotten two. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this one. And then here are the papers. So I got one of each of everything. I love the photos in here of real flowers. Like the real flowers, the real backgrounds. And this reminds me, well, I know where these were taken. These were taken in New York. But it just reminds me of just memories from there. And then it's just back inspired. And then the peace sign. This one is peace out. Oh, I love this. Love, 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 love this. And this one is cute stuff, which it's totally cute stuff. I even remember using one of these when I was growing up. This is just all about me. This reminds me of the 1980s so much. And even a little bit of the 70s. I never grew up in the 70s, obviously. I was born in the 80s. But this reminds me so much of like the 70s, 80s vibe. I just love it. So there's the back stars. Psychedelic right here. It's called Hustle. That geometric psychedelic. Oh, and then look at dash lines. Look at this. Now this here is 120% real flowers put onto this paper. It's called Wild. I absolutely love this. I bought it for this side. I do love this page, but I bought it for this. This is just gorgeous. I could have bought two. And then this one is called Selfie. It's like taking your pictures of selfies. I definitely have a good idea for this. Here's the Eiffel Tower. It looks like the Brooklyn Bridge, but I can be wrong on that one. But I know that's the Eiffel Tower. That one, God, I think it's the Brooklyn Bridge, but I could be wrong. Looks like it. And then I just like the paper background too, but I really love this one. Shine On. And I love the feel of this. I love the smash book-ish of this. I could definitely smash book this totally, wholeheartedly. I just love this page. I mean, I love this one, but this is just, yes. Wallflower. Love the polka dots. Oh, and I love this too. It says, "Go girl. She shines, blah, blah, blah. Making it up as I go." I do that a lot. Hey you, there's no fun in perfection. I bought it for this side. Stripes, be you. Look at those rainbows. Oh, these stars. Here's more of like the smash book type stuff, adding little extras here and there. This is Stardust. I got two of these for this reason, so I'll show you the back sides, but I got it for this reason times two because I just absolutely love it. Rosie is the last page. And then there's that. So, that is all of the collections that I got. I hope you enjoyed this bit of haul. Showed you a few new of the collections. Drop a link or drop a comment down below on which one you absolutely love. I've already put one set away, and this is the last set. And I will talk to you soon. Bye!